Yeah, this is my backyard. A lot of nature here. Like, I love nature, and yeah, so it's like everyone's on their phones all the time. I just want people to get out into nature, like in nature. Yeah. So here, look, come here with me. This place right here, see that? That was just all dirt. And before, and I'm kind of really mad at my dad for doing that because I don't feel as connected because it's like not as nature. So yeah. And like, okay, everyone is always on their phones and they don't really stop to like see that. Like, look at this. There's probably 1,000 bugs living on this. 1,000 bugs, and none of them have phones. Probably even 1,000,000. Something to think about. You know, you should probably, okay, look, see if you can see that in the camera. See every little one of those? They're all different. They're all like bugs, I think. So, and it's just like really shows how far we've gone into the society. Like meditating. I do that every day. Meditate. So just to be out in nature and yeah, show. You know, my dad once said I was like part Native American, so I really feel deeply connected. Me and my brother, like, we had this fountain. It was a water fountain. Yeah, it wasn't a fountain. It was actually a bird bath. We would put a lot of water in there from the river, and there were no birds, but it was cool. So yeah. You know, this used to be filled. What was this? Water, probably. I don't remember. Mud. Yeah. Yeah, so really I felt so connected, and yeah, look, we need to step back and think about nature for a second as a society. Like, what if the tree grows? Look at that tree. Do you know when that tree was planted? Neither do I. Does that tree have social media? Neither do. Wait, no, he doesn't. Really teaches you about society. Yeah, I really feel like connected with this tree. When I ever, like, you know, when I was a kid, I used to hang on this branch. This tree was like a father. It was like my parent. When my dad didn't want to play with me outside, I would go to this tree, and I think really helped me become a good child. See this tree right here? Like, it's like a symbol. It's like a symbol. And like the American flag. So like, wake up, sheeple. Wake up.
Dude, lunch is ready.
What?
Lunch is ready.
Dude. Okay, look. I ate breakfast.
What did you eat?
Breakfast. Look.
Okay, jeez, bro.
Dude, just cut that.
What the heck?
Hey, shoot.
What?
Get
You
inside.
need to eat lunch.
Well, I don't have to.
Yes, you do. Dad said you had to.
Dude. There's gonna be... My brother was a really mean, big jerk today. And now we're gonna have... I think on change.org, I'm gonna make a petition for my brother to not be such a jerk all the time when he makes me eat lunch and I don't want to. So, sign that. Thank you. Bye. You know, when I meditate, I kind of just like, yeah, I meditate over here. Make sure. And this is where I meditate. Do it every day. Yeah, and I just kind of go like, and it really helps. It really helps. Yeah, so just get out of the shot, bro. Yeah, so my real lesson to you is really you should all get off your phones and get off your screens and TVs and televisions and really go out and see the nature. It's all around us. And little did you know, this was actually really okay. Yeah, it was actually really small. It was a small plant that I filmed. It was a small plant next to our yeah. So yeah, that's a lesson. That's like a metaphor for society. You should go check out. You should stop being part of society and go to nature.
Okay guys, it's ASMR time. Everybody in the house is watching a nature documentary. And I have to be really quiet because I'm editing on the computer right next to the TV. So, so basically, for the next month or so, the governor of my little area of Seattle, Washington, has closed off all schools for the next bit because of the virus. So, lots of creative juices flowing. You know, I've got a ton of free time, and I'm probably gonna be making some more videos. And that's why you should subscribe. Yes, I'm plugging. You should.
Never get pregnant.
Oh, sign